This video we publish deals with the subject of context elemental design as a complement of the previous one. Translating into Turkish or Arabic languages. From setting icon, select Auto Translating, then select the language which wanted to be translated from language list. One of the most important problems that construction projects suffer from is the large discrepancy between the estimated value of the project and its period and the final value of the project and its period. The reason for this is due to the lack of transfer of project data in a detailed and satisfactory manner between its stages, starting from the initial design stage until the end of the final delivery stage of the project. From this standpoint, and the development in data technology represented by BIM construction modeling and the electronic means used in project management represented in the basic form by the Primavera software, we aim by working in an integrated manner between the Revit software and the Primavera software to prepare an effective and applicable work schedule under the BIM system, including all specialties that consisting in the management of construction project, which is for the purpose of enumeration but not limited to design management, tender management, recruitment management, contract management, cost control, quantity surveying, timing schedule, human resource management, equipment management, subcontracting, logistic management of the project site, risk management, change management, claim management, quality management, security and safety management, initial and final delivery of the project, and so on. Regarding the steps taken to achieve this aforementioned schedule, we are presenting for you a series of videos that explain the steps one by one to actuating this purpose on my YouTube channel, Erol Muratli. After continuous binge watching of these videos one by one, you will eventually be able to start setting up this aforementioned schedule. If you would like to share your idea about this matter or who wants or needs such a work schedule for his construction projects, please contact me at my email address muratliarol@gmail.com or call via WhatsApp number 0090 475 4978. The outputs of change from design and BIM works are organized on an element-by-element basis in CSI Uniforma features, where it is defined as elemental design. The main levels of site context are site preparation and site improvement works. Site preparation will consist the sub-levels of site clearing, site elements demolition, site element relocations, site remediation, site earthworks. Site clearing will consist clearing and grubbing, tree and shrub removal and trimming, earth stripping and stockpiling. Site elements demolition consists utility demolition, infrastructure demolition, selective site demolition. And site element relocations consist utility relocation, site remediation will consist physical decontamination, chemical decontamination, thermal decontamination, biological decontamination, remediation, soil stabilization, site containment, sinkhole remediation, hazardous waste drum handling, contaminated site material removal, water remediation. Site earthwork will consist grading, excavation and fill, embankments, erosion and sedimentation controls, soil stabilization, rock stabilization, soil reinforcement, slope protection, gabions, riprap, wetlands, earth dams, site soil treatment. Another main level site improvements will consist the following sub-levels: roadways, parking lots, pedestrian plazas and walkways, airfields, athletic, recreational and playfield areas, site development, landscaping. Roadway will consist roadway pavement, roadway curbs and gutters, roadway appurtenances, roadway lighting, vehicle fare collection. Roadway pavement will consist roadway unit pavement, roadway aggregate surfacing, roadway base courses, flexible roadway pavement, rigid roadway pavement. Roadway unit pavement will consist precast concrete unit paving, brick unit paving, asphalt unit paving, wood paving, recycled rubber paving, stone paving. Flexible roadway pavement will consist preparatory coats, asphalt paving, wearing courses, flexible paving, surface treatments, seal coats, porous flexible paving, asphalt paving, joint sealants. And the rigid roadway pavement will consist concrete paving, decorative concrete paving, joint sealants. And another sub-level of roadway curbs and gutters will consist concrete curbs and gutters, asphalt curbs, stone curbs. And the roadway appurtenances will consist speed bumps, traffic signage, roadway signaling and control equipment, pavement markings, pavement snow melting systems, roadway construction. The parking lots will consist the same contents which roadway is consisting. Pedestrian plazas and walkways also will consist the same contents. But the exterior steps and ramps will consist metal walkways, stair railings, ladders, snow melting, fire escapes, stair soffits, stair construction. Athletic areas will consist exterior athletic lighting, athletic equipment, athletic court fencing, athletic surfaces. While recreational areas will consist recreational services, recreational court fencing and gates, recreational area lighting. And the playfield areas will consist playfield surfaces, playfield equipment and structures, playfield lighting. The exterior fountains, which is under site development level, will consist exterior fountain plumbing systems equipment, exterior fountain plumbing piping system. Fences and gates will consist gate operators, gutter guards. And the covers and shelters will consist protective covers, attendant booths. Retaining walls will consist stone retaining walls, soldier beam retaining walls, gabion retaining walls, retaining wall sub-drainage, reinforced soil retaining walls, timber retaining walls, metal grip retaining walls, segmental retaining walls, unit machinery retaining walls, precast concrete retaining walls, cast-in-place concrete retaining walls. Side bridges will consist vehicular bridges by structure and by materials, pedestrian bridges. Site screening devices will consist site specialties, sound barriers, screens and louvers. Under landscaping, the planting irrigation will consist sprinkler systems, drip irrigation, irrigation pumps. Turf and grasses will consist sprigging, sodding, seeding, plugging, hydro mulching. Plants will consist plants and bulbs, trees, ground cover, shrubs. Planting accessories, landscape edging, decorative landscape boulders, tree grates, landscape timbers, vertical planting, green facades, green living, vertical walls, tree grates, planters. And the planting preparation will consist planting soil stabilization, landscape grading, soil preparation. Under liquid and gas side utilities, we have the following sub-levels: water utilities, sanitary sewerage utilities, storm drainage utilities, site energy distribution, site fuel distribution, liquid and gas side utilities supplementary. Underwater utilities we have site domestic water distribution, site fire protection water distribution, site irrigation water distribution, and those will consist ponds, storage tanks, disinfecting of water distribution piping, water supply wells, water distribution equipment, irrigation water wells, water utility service, reservoirs. Sanitary sewerage utilities will consist sanitary sewerage utility connection, sanitary sewerage piping, utility septic tanks, sanitary sewerage structures, sanitary sewerage lagoons. Storm drainage utilities will consist storm drainage utility connection, storm drainage piping, culverts, site storm water drains, storm drainage pumps, storm drainage ponds and reservoirs, and the site sub-drainage, which consists drainage layers, sub-drainage piping, geotextile subsurface drainage filtration, underslab drainage, retaining wall drainage, foundation drainage. Site energy distribution will consist site hydronic heating distribution above ground and underground, site steam energy distribution, steam and condensate above ground and underground, site hydronic cooling distribution above ground and underground. Site fuel distribution will consist site gas distribution, site fuel oil distribution, site gasoline distribution, site diesel fuel distribution, and every one of those will consist storage tanks, pumps, piping. And the liquid and gas side utilities supplementary will consist manholes and structures, utility structures, pressure piping tight joint restraint system, trenchless utility installations, utility identification, instrumentation and control. Electrical site improvements have two main sub-levels: site electric distribution systems, site lighting. Site electric distribution systems will consist electrical utility services, electric transmission and distribution, electrical substations, electrical transformers, electrical switchgear and protection devices, site grounding, electrical distribution system instrumentation. The electrical transmission and distribution will consist transmission and distribution equipment, insulators and fittings, wiring, underground ducts and manholes, direct current transmission, electrical utility poles, electrical utility towers, transmission and distribution specialties. And the electrical substations will consist the dense structures, substation control wiring, control house equipment, structural bus supports, substation bus assemblies. Electrical switchgear and protection devices will consist circuit breakers, fusible interrupter switchgear, reclosers. Site grounding will consist site grounding conductors, utility substation grounding, utilities grounding, site improvements grounding, lightning protection, tower grounding. In the area lighting under the site lighting will consist lighting poles and standards, flood lighting, building illumination, site lighting instrumentation and controls. The main sub-levels of site communications are site communication systems, site electronic safety and security systems. Site communications systems will consist site communications structures, wireless communications distribution, site communications distribution which consists copper communications distribution cabling, optical fiber communications distribution, grounding and bonding for communications, cable pressurization equipment, coaxial communications distribution cabling, cleaning, lubrication, and restoration chemicals. While the site electronic safety and security systems will consist access control and intrusion, electronic surveillance, detection and alarm, electronic monitoring and control. The last elemental design of the site context is the miscellaneous site construction, which consists vehicular tunnels, pedestrian tunnels, service tunnels, and every one of those will consist tunnel support systems, tunnel grounding, tunnel construction, shaft construction, submersible tube tunnels, and the tunnel construction related activities. The coming video will be about the solar and energy analysis. See you in the next presentation with my great regards.